Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making coriander and ginger noodles. You're going to need some noodles, preferably egg noodles. I forgot to buy some before I started recording, so I'm just using what I had around home. You'll also need a bunch of coriander. What you want to do is strip it from its stems and chop it finely. Ginger, and you're going to want to slice this pretty thinly. Spring onions, again you want to slice them nice and neatly. And finally, sesame oil and soy sauce. Once all the vegetables are chopped up, what you're going to do is put the noodles on and cook them according to the directions on the packet. Then what we're going to do is toss them in the sesame oil. And watch how I fail at tossing them in the sesame oil. Next we're going to heat up a wok or a frying pan and put in peanut oil and get that nice and hot. Then we're going to put the ginger in there. Let the ginger get fragrant and then add the noodles. Now would be a good time to season with a little bit of salt and pepper, preferably white pepper if you have it. If not, just use black. And then we can add in spring onions and give them a bit of a toss around. Get them in and mixed in. Again, watch me fail with the noodles and turn into a massive clump of disorganization. Now add in the soy sauce and give it a good mix, allowing the noodles to be covered in the soy sauce and for everything to come together nicely. Or in my case, come together as a massive clump. I really need to work on this technique. We're going to transfer the noodles back to a large bowl and put them in there with the coriander and give them a good toss. Once everything's mixed together, it's now ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a like or subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.